Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So this product today I have with me is eyeglass repair kit with nose pads. So I have my glasses, I lost one of the nose pads, so I decided to get me a nice little kit. Just get it open. It comes with everything you need and the screwdriver itself. So first of all, it comes with a nice little case. Put it in your jar, put it in your purse, wherever you want to put it, in your pocket. Okay, once you open it up, you come with a micro cleaning rag. So then you get a tweezer. You get, show you this in a couple minutes. This is the tool. So you get a lot of nose pads and you get screws. So you get the nose pads and screws, just in case you lost your screw on your glasses. So this is pretty cool. This right here goes on your keychain, or you keep it with the kit. One side will be a Philip, if you have a Philip lens on your glasses, Philip screw. And one side is a flathead. So most likely glasses do come with a lot of flatheads, so you can use it. And then to finish it off, you have a little socket basically right there, just in case you need to use it too. So like I was missing just the nose pad, so now I'm just gonna replace it. And this screwdriver fit on it very well, because I was reading some reviews that the screwdriver does not work on their glasses. So on my glasses it does. So we take off the screw. Okay, now we will get a new nose pad. You put it in. Okay, you could use the tweezer when put it in the screw, but I will put it in like that. Okay, once you get it in, screw it in. And it's all set. Awesome. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.